My ray of sunshine. And no, I'm not talking about Ashley being my ray of sunshine, I'm talking about the car. The Triumph Dolomite. How you doing?
All right, you?
Yeah, not too bad. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really good. It's definitely one of the cleanest. Do you know what? That's going to be the title. Is this the cleanest Triumph Dolomite in the country? It looks so good. The yellow just pops, doesn't it? And the wheels, you changed the wheels, didn't you?
Yeah, so these are off the Dolomite Sprint.
I can't remember. Why did you do that again?
Well,
just like the look?
Just had standard steel wheels on.
Oh, okay.
So,
just brings the bling value up a bit.
Yeah.
It does look so good. And that black interior looks so good. Is it a leather or vinyl?
Vinyl, PVC.
Vinyl. That's what they did in the time, wasn't it, I suppose?
Yeah.
No seatbelts in the back.
Nope.
And then coming around to there, you can see all the bits. It's so simple, isn't it? But it looks really good. Like the buttons, it just looks quality.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? Like all the metal chrome and that just looks quality.
Yeah.
Big old steering wheel. It's like driving a bus.
Yeah.
How is it to drive?
Floaty.
Floaty. I suppose we'll see in a minute, won't we? I like coming around to the back end of this one as well.
Yeah, the back is definitely better than the front on it.
Better looking.
Yeah.
Brilliant. I do love it. And all the chrome. The chrome's in good condition. I think back along you were talking about actually
I did think about getting it re-chromed. But
getting it re-chromed, but put it out in the sun.
Yeah, you can't see it too
It
much.
looks great, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's really good. Dolomite 1300, so the 1.3.
Yeah.
0 to 60, I think it's 14.4.
On a good day.
On a good day. Is that downhill as well?
Yeah, downhill, yeah.
Right, what we're going to do is we're going to go out in that for the day.
Yeah.
Go along the Cornish coast and see what it's all about.
Yeah.
I don't think there's much better than driving along the Cornish coast in this yellow Triumph Dolomite.
Definitely not.
It's literally brilliant. The thing is though, like over time, we're going to have less and less cars like this on the road to go out and enjoy.
Yeah.
Like think, a country drive, coastal drive I should say,
Yeah.
a coastal drive in an electric car would not be the same as driving this.
Never.
It just wouldn't be, there's no emotion, is there?
No.
Whereas this is just full of character. I absolutely love it.
Yeah.
Like even just the simple things, like the switches and this little glove box. Like, is this one open? Oh, just like that. Like it's just such a cool little cubby hole.
So simplistic.
I love it, literally I love it. And this black leather gets a little warm.
A little bit.
We've just put the windows up so you can actually hear us, because obviously having the windows open is quite loud. But this is lovely, isn't it, driving along through these streets? Like this is just absolutely brilliant. I love stuff like this. So Ash, what is it actually like driving this then?
Brilliant.
Is it actually brilliant?
Yeah.
What's it like? Is it heavy steering or is it fairly light or?
When you're moving, it's fine, but yeah, no power steering, so...
No power steering when you're stopped.
3-point turns are a bit tricky.
It's not too long though, is it? It's not massively
it's
long,
quite
so it's
short.
not too bad.
They're very narrow cars, like we're sat very close
Elbow to
together.
elbow.
Yeah.
You actually picked this up the day after I got the S4?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
What is better than these Cornish roads though? Like, I literally love darting around these.
Yeah.
Especially in this, you can see the yellow
Yeah.
in front of you. Is it a 5-seater?
I
They're-
have had 5 in it, but the steering went incredibly light, so I'm not
Really?
exactly sure whether that was just the age of suspension, I don't know. But,
What's it on the logbook, do you know?
I don't know, I haven't looked, to be honest.
Because the thing is, there's no seatbelts in the back.
No, so I suppose really if you can get 5 in, you can get 5 in.
Or 6 or whatever.
Well, yeah.
Do they do it in auto?
They do, yeah. Not sure if they do the 1300 in the auto, but they do the 1500 and the 1850 in auto.
But it does make me think, would you really want an auto in a car like this? Back then maybe,
Back
I understand,
then, maybe, yeah.
because it's just the thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, you get the choice.
But now,
But now, the character in the car is the way it drives, isn't it? And the way
Yeah.
it looks. Because it's not exactly like you're absolutely smashed out with gadgets in it.
no.
Do you know what I mean? Some of the modern cars you can go, yeah, it lacks character, but then it's
Yeah.
got the gadgets,
Yeah,
so you don't mind. There really is nothing better than flying down these Cornish lanes.
yeah.
The coast is right next to us there, beautiful day. It's got to be like 20 degrees, isn't it? September.
Yeah.
September, 20 degrees, and it is absolutely beautiful coming along here.
Yeah.
Got all the nice greenery up ahead of us. Barely, there's a few clouds, but nothing really. And it's just going to be a lovely day flying along the coast in this thing.
I've been trying to often failed, and the way the day has sailed, it was gruesome to remain. What I mostly did was to complain, and with every failed attempt, only grew my self-contempt. No peace around.
Thank you very much guys for watching the video of this brilliant Triumph Dolomite. I've absolutely loved today, driving along the coast. It's just what you need to do in a bright yellow 70s car, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just brilliant. Thank you guys for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. Please do hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I shall see you in the next video. Cheers guys, see ya.